This video is for my newest subscriber. Hi! I am going to explain a little bit about how to play The Priesthood is Restored. Ooh, this is a tricky one. This is a song in the children's songbook for primary children in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And this song is called The Priesthood is Restored, and it is one that has lots of sharps and flats and natural signs, and the harmony is not the kind of harmony that you would usually see in a children's song. So it's tricky. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the camera so you can see my hands, and I'm going to play the left hand all by itself. And then I'm going to play the right hand all by itself. And hopefully that'll help you just to see what the pitches are and to hear them sort of independently, right hand and left hand separately. And I'll do it kind of slower than the tempo it should be played at. And then I might talk through some of the tricky things, but I just wanted to show you what the notes are supposed to be, because I know sight reading this, it's tricky to get all of those sharps and flats right, especially with a key signature that includes a sharp and things like that. So I'm just going to play it so you know what it's supposed to sound like, okay? And I'm going to move my camera so that it's just kind of right above my hands. So